In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make these little red hearts. I use them in the middle of a granny square to make bags, blankets, things like that, but the heart itself is really nice and a lot of people would like them for the random acts of kindness things that they're making, like you can have worry worms, but these are quite a nice heart to say that you're thinking about somebody. So I've literally just got some cheap yarn from the pound store, 2.5mm hook, a needle to sew in the ends, and a pair of scissors. Okay, now to begin with, we do a magic circle and we're going to do a chain of 3. So there's your magic circle. If you need more help with the magic circle, I do have another video up there. So there's our circle that we're going to be working into, and we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to put 2 double crochets into the magic circle. So you yarn over, you pull through 2, and you pull through 2. So that was our first one, and this is our second one. Yarn over, pull through 2, not quite gone through that one, and pull through 2. Now we're going to chain 2. This is going to be a corner, but we don't need the corner, we're going to be working into the corner. Now we're doing 3 double crochets. So we have 1, that didn't quite go through. That's number 2. And number 3. Another chain 2 for another corner. And again, another 3 double crochets. So you're going to end up with 4 corners and 4 lots of 3 double crochets. This is our second one on this little bit. And this is our third. I might have to close this circle up a bit, otherwise I'm going to lose my end. So we just chain the 2 for the corner, and then we can go back and double check what we've got. So we've got 1, 2, 3 lots of double threes, sorry, 3 lots of 3s, and chain 2 for your corner. So we need 1 more set. So this is our last lot of 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3, which leaves us our chain of 2, and we're going to slip stitch it once we've closed this up a bit into our first chain of 3. So as you can see, this is our first chain of 3. We're going to go in the top here and we're just going to slip stitch it through. So this is what we're left with, is 1, 2, 3, 4 lots of 3. We've got your 4 corners. Now we need to slip stitch over into this next stitch here because we want to be in the middle. So pull it through, and then we're going to chain 1. Every time you move on to the next bit, you're chaining 1. We're going to do 8 double crochets in this corner here. It's going to be quite tight, so keep moving it around. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to move on, so we're going to chain 1. We're going to go to this corner and we're just going to put a single crochet in. Now we're moving on again, so we're going to chain 1 and we're going to skip this stitch. We're going to go into this middle one here. We're going to do 2 single crochets. 1, 2. We're going to chain 1. We're going to go straight back in that stitch and do another 2 single crochets because we're going up the other side now. We want it to be symmetrical. We're moving on, so we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to go into this corner here and we're just going to do 1 single crochet. Again, we're moving on to our last corner, chain 1, and we're going to pop our last 8 double crochets in this corner here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one is 8. Now we just need to slip stitch into the first stitch that we did, which is here. So it's on the top of your chain in the middle. So we're going to go straight in there and slip it in. That is it. So I'm just going to cut my yarn, because obviously we need to tie in the ends. Like so. So we need to close this circle, and then you'll see it all come to life. There is our little heart. Let me just show you the sewing in at the ends. Obviously that was the last one we did, so we're going to want to tuck it through like that, and then I'm going to put it in this run here so it's hidden underneath. That way it doesn't matter which way up you have your heart, you're not going to see the ends. That's one. And this one, got to go around in here. Cut them off. So it's a very quick and easy love heart. Now I have got a video tutorial on my granny squares. Let me just see if I can find one. Oh, I think we had one. So this is what it will end up like if you chose to put it in the granny squares. So I've got it in both pink and blue. Or you can just give them out for your random acts of kindness. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, and I'll pop another one up. Thank you.